Sonesta procedures and examination chairs, when quality and design meet to create outstanding results. The S3 procedure chair includes the following standard accessories: 1 seat cushion with voiding cutout, 1 seat cushion without voiding cutout, 2 armrests, 2 leg rests, 2 leg rest holders, 2 fold-up footrests, 1 paper towel holder plus maneuvering handle, 1 3-motor foot control, 1 funnel and funnel holder, 1 neck pillow. To begin setup, remove the chair and all accessories from the crate. Move the chair to a clear and convenient location and apply the brakes. Plug the table's power cable into the wall and raise the chair to a convenient height using the buttons on the foot control. Place the seat cushion on the frame and attach. Insert the plastic drainage funnel holder underneath the seat at the end of the table. Line up the bracket and slide the holder into place. The flow meter sits underneath the funnel. Locate the square openings below the seat of the chair and slide the footrests into the tracks. The left and right footrests can be identified by the black levers. These pieces should be positioned toward the outside of the seat. To convert the footrests into a seat extension, push the black lever in while lifting the footrests up. The length of the footrests can be adjusted by pulling out the black knob on the side. The footrests can be slid left or right to suit the patient. To remove the footrests, lift the black lever and slide the footrest out. Use a 5mm Allen key to unscrew the locking bolts found underneath the sides of the seat and at the front of the rails. Rotate the handle on the leg rest counterclockwise to loosen and slide it along the track. Replace the lock on the track using the Allen key. Insert the leg rest into the holder. Adjust the height and angle to your preference, then rotate the handle on the leg rest holder to lock. You can adjust the angle of the leg rest pad with the adjacent swivel. The neck pillow allows for enhanced patient comfort. Sonesta S3, designed especially for you. Sonesta S2, the right tool to facilitate your procedures.